Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Steam on your Windows 11. So open any browser and type here Steam, press enter, click on this official link. Now here click on install Steam. Select your platform like Windows, Mac or any other. I'm using Windows, so click here, and if you will see this warning, so click on keep. Double click on the setup file. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Next, select your language and next, then install. Then click on finish. Now wait for a few seconds. It will update to latest version. And log in your account. So this way guys, you can add, download and install Steam game launcher on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.